Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a little slice of paradise, then you've got to see this place. I'm so excited to share all about my recent stay at the Crest Nature Hotel and Resort, powered by ASTON, in the absolutely stunning Tagaytay in the Philippines. Before we dive in, be sure to scan this QR code right here to check out their website and plan your own getaway. Okay, seriously, get this. It's like stepping into a different world. Imagine waking up surrounded by lush greenery and the most incredible views. This hotel is all about that tranquil escape, a perfect sanctuary away from all the hustle and bustle. It's got this amazing chill atmosphere, the kind where you can actually relax and unwind. The hotel's been around since 2004, so it's got that established feel, and with 117 rooms, they've got you covered in terms of comfort. Each room is super well appointed, super stylish, and has all the modern amenities you could ask for, whether you're there for a relaxing vacation or even if you need to pop open that laptop to get some work done. They have everything you need to feel spoiled. The staff is just incredibly friendly and welcoming. That warm Filipino hospitality is no joke. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., so you've got lots of time to settle in, freshen up, and then explore. Oh, and this place is perfect for families. Kids between 5 and 11 stay free, which is fantastic news for anyone traveling with little ones. Making memories is so important. And the best part? They've got a fantastic breakfast to get your day started right. They also have a free fitness center. Then, take your time as checkout isn't until 12:30 p.m., so you can enjoy a leisurely morning. You can really savor those last few moments of peace before heading back to reality. Crest is just an awesome blend of nature and pure comfort. It's the perfect place to recharge. Trust me on this one. So, are you dreaming of a getaway yet? I know I am just thinking about it again. Head on over to their website to book your stay and experience all the magic for yourself. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.